Hello everyone. Today, we will crochet this cute sheep doll. The product application is also very diverse. You can make lovely gifts, keychains, or decorative for bags. You can also change the color of the dress and hair color as you like. And I also want to share with you the skill of making curly hair, like here. First of all, the thread we use is 4-strand thread and 1.8mm crochet hook with 2 7mm eye. First, we started by making a magic ring. Chain 1. Make 6 single crochet into the ring. First single crochet. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And sixth. Pull the shorter end to close the ring. 1 slip stitch in the very first crochet. The first round is done. Chain 1, and now we move to the second round. Insert the hook through only the back loop, increased in 6 stitches of round 1. Since we've already made 1 SC in the first stitch, make 1 more into the same stitch. Now we have 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Do the same with the remaining 5 stitches. End with a slip stitch and a chain. The second round is done. Repeat the step to insert the hook through only the back loop to 7th round. Change new yarn for curly hair. Chain 4. 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. And C, we'll repeat the pattern, chain 4, slip stitch to the end of the 6th round. And here is the result of the hair section, after crocheting 6 rounds. We use white yarn to crochet the ears, following the chart above. And now move to the arms. Make 7 single crochet into the ring. First single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Pull the shorter end to close the ring. 1 slip stitch in the very first crochet. Chain 1. Move to the second round. 1 single crochet into each stitch. Change new yarn and make 1 single crochet into each stitch. Use gray yarn for legs. Create a magic ring with 7 single crochet. Make the second leg similarly and put it together. Chain 3. Connect the second leg. 7 single crochet into the first leg. Three more single crochet into the chain. Seven single crochet into the second leg. Three more single crochet into the chain. End with a slip stitch and a chain. And now we move to the next round. To make the body bigger at the waist, we will crochet to increase stitch on each side of the hips. Here, I will start with 2 single crochets and 1 increase here. First single crochet, and second. Continue crocheting single crochets until you reach the middle of this side. Then add 1 increase and continue crocheting single stitch until the end of the row. The 11th round has 22 stitches in total. Repeat the same increase for the next row. The 12th round has 24 stitches in total. Change new yarn and make one single crochet into each stitch. Insert the hook through only the back loop, and make one single crochet into each stitch. Grab a new yarn and put the needle here to start crocheting the dress. Chain 3. 1. Double crochet in the first stitch. And 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Use brown thread to embroider the eyes, nose, and facial features. Now sew the head to the body. I hope you enjoyed this product tutorial. Good luck with your project, and see you next time. Goodbye.